Hello everyone, imagine getting to see the document which is formatted like this one. You can see this is James Brownlee and you can see this his or her signature. If you being able to see or to have this document as a professional document which is consisting of the signature, you will see that he's having my own signature that I have already used by pen. So you're asking yourself how you can be able to do this in your Microsoft Office Word. Check this. I have this Microsoft Office Word. I have a document here. It has the information, and you're asking yourself how you can be able to do this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to add this signature into your Microsoft Office Word document. Let's say that you are making a cover letter, you are making maybe your CV, you are writing other formal write information to someone, and you want to add your own signature. Maybe you want to add your stamp, maybe you want to add other things which you can be able to mark it special or it's designed for you. I want to show you how you can be able to do this. So let me first close this one, and I'm going to be opening new MS Word. As you can see, first of all, you need to have two things. You need to have, of course, your signature that is signed very clearly and cleanly, and also you can take its picture. After taking its picture, you can be able to use some more platforms like come in here. Let's come to online and say like remove background from image, and you remove the background from that signature. After removing that background from the signature, you're gonna be coming and uploading it here. After uploading it here, it is going to be removing the background. Let's go here and search from the documents section, because where my signature is, I search for it. It is going to come as here. Now I have to open it. After opening it, it is going to be coming here and remove its background, because I will be at this time removing the background so that it will be very clearly and cleanly appearing on the document that I want to be signing on. And also I have to download the preview for free. No issue, it's gonna be visible as well. You can see if I open this preview or this background removed signature, you can see it is going to be showing like this one. But don't worry, because I'm going to be adding it to the document with white background, which is MS Word. Now I'm going to come into my MS Word. I open MS Word document, which is empty, and I'm going to be clicking like this one. I can be able to add the comments, add some contents. Let's, for instance, add the document. The development of the nation is always based on its population. This is an example of the text that I'm going to be adding. And also I can be able to add this text every time or everywhere. It is determined on the kind of the text you're going to be writing. Let's suppose that this is the letter that you're going to be writing, and also what I have to add. Let's say maybe that this is today's date, which is equal to March, this one. And also I can be adding maybe position. Let's say operations manager. This is a position. After that, I can be able to add, of course, my phone number or my email address. Then I have to add signature. So to add a signature, I don't need to be going back there to bring some other information, or what I do already do is to come to insert section. I have to insert picture because my signature is already in the form of picture, as I have shown you. Now what I do, I come to the download section, because after downloading the other removable background signature, it has come into download folder. I have to select it here, then I have to insert it. After inserting it, now you can see the way it is visible or it is showing, it seems to be disorganized. So what I need to do, I need to come here, and first of all I have to format this signature. Click on this one. You can see I have to go to crop. Now I crop the bottom side. I crop the right side as well, and even the left one. So I try to crop it so that you not be gonna be losing its security or some information as part of my signature. After this, I can be able to come and click in this angle sideways to be able to customize it, and also I should be able to have it like this. At the end, I can decide to minimize it also that you can wanna be smaller one. At the end, I can be able to save it as MS Word document. Then let me save it as MS Word document, maybe. Let's say development, and I save it. So after saving it, I can be able to open it now as MS Word, and after opening it as MS Word, it is gonna be showing like this one. However, I might decide to open it out to save it in PDF, and if I save it in PDF, it is gonna be like a natural one. Let's save it. I click save as copy, save as PDF. Now I have to click here and select where I want to save it. Let's save to desktop. I'm gonna save it. It is gonna be saved automatically and it's all open automatically as PDF. And as you can see, I have my PDF document which is signed, and also it contains my original signature that I have signed. It's neither on e-signature that I used Microsoft Office tools or whatever. It also only use my own signature that I have used to sign with a pen. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this to our friends. If you have any questions, suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section. This is how you can be able to add a signature on your document by adding your official signature, your original signature, and also you can be able to add a stamp if you have one. And also once you see in the document, it will always be original. Remember to turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Normax TV for the other tips like this one.